Welcome, everyone, to today's video on one of the most exciting topics around, real estate investment. And we're about to dive deep into the world of real estate to answer one fundamental question: are you truly committed to your real estate investment? But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our real estate tips and insights. Alright, let's jump right in. Real estate investment is often regarded as one of the most lucrative paths to financial success. However, it's not a path for the faint-hearted. It requires commitment on a level that surpasses merely owning a property or two. It's about being ready to weather the storms, adapt to changing market conditions, and make strategic decisions that will shape your financial future. Real estate investment is more than just buying and selling properties, it's about making a long-term commitment to your financial goals. Unlike the stock market, which can experience wild swings on a daily basis, real estate tends to appreciate steadily over time. Commitment in real estate isn't just about holding on to your properties, it's about holding on to your vision of financial success. It's about recognizing that while the journey may have its challenges, the long-term rewards far outweigh the temporary setbacks. In the world of real estate, commitment means having the patience to weather market fluctuations, the wisdom to make informed investment decisions, and the integrity to conduct your transactions ethically. It's about being in it for the long haul, understanding that real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. Now, let's talk about some of the real challenges you'll encounter in real estate investment. One of the most popular strategies among committed real estate investors is the buy and hold approach. This strategy involves purchasing properties with the intention of holding onto them for an extended period. The idea behind this strategy is to benefit from the long-term appreciation of property values. Instead of flipping properties for quick profits, buy and hold investors focus on the slow and steady growth of their investments. This approach aligns perfectly with the concept of commitment. However, it's crucial to understand that owning rental properties, a common facet of the buy and hold strategy, is far from a walk in the park. It's a hands-on adventure that demands your constant attention. As a landlord, you'll need to ensure your properties are maintained in top condition to attract and retain tenants. This means regular inspections, repairs, and upgrades as necessary. You'll also have the responsibility of finding reliable tenants, collecting rent on time, and ensuring the properties are well cared for. Managing rental properties is a commitment in itself, and it's not for those seeking a completely hands-off investment. If you'd rather take a more relaxed approach to managing your rental properties, you can leverage the services of property management agencies. These agencies are your partners in ensuring your real estate investments run smoothly. Property management agencies handle the nitty-gritty details of day-to-day property management, including tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance, and even handling emergencies. By outsourcing these tasks, you can free up your time while still benefiting from the long-term growth of your investments. Imagine this: your real estate investments becoming assets that pay for themselves over time. It's like securing your financial future. And that's what real estate commitment is all about. It's about making strategic decisions today that will yield financial rewards tomorrow. By managing your properties effectively or relying on property management agencies, you're not just investing in real estate, you're investing in your own financial security. It's a commitment to building wealth and achieving your long-term financial goals. Now, let's explore the diverse avenues within real estate investment. It's not just about residential properties. The real estate world offers a plethora of opportunities. From commercial properties and industrial spaces to land development and real estate investment trusts, REITs, there's a niche for every type of investor. Each sector comes with its own unique commitment requirements and rewards. It's essential to align your investment strategy with your goals, risk tolerance, and level of commitment. Whether you're passionate about owning apartment complexes, office buildings, or a portfolio of residential homes, the key is commitment. Before you take the plunge into real estate investment, it's vital to assess your readiness. Are you truly prepared for the journey ahead? Commitment in real estate involves several aspects. First, there's the financial readiness. Do you have the capital required to make your initial investments and cover any unexpected expenses? Second, consider your risk tolerance. Real estate, like any investment, carries risks, and you need to be prepared for market fluctuations. And there you have it, folks. Real estate investment is your ticket to financial prosperity, but it's not for the faint of heart. Whether you're all in with the buy and hold strategy, managing properties, or getting help from the pros, your commitment is the key to success. In conclusion, remember that commitment in real estate isn't just a word, it's a way of life. It's about making informed decisions, facing challenges head-on, and staying the course for the long haul. Your financial future is in your hands, and real estate can be the vehicle that takes you to your destination. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow real estate enthusiasts. And remember, the answer to the question, are you truly committed to your real estate investment, lies within you. With the right commitment, dedication, and a strategic approach, you can unlock the full potential of real estate and pave the way for a prosperous financial future. So, go out there and make those committed investment decisions. Until next time, happy investing. Don't miss out on more valuable insights into the world of real estate. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow our channel. Have a fantastic day, and see you in the next video.